How PayPal became a major player in cryptocurrency. Even though it took over 7 years, PayPal offering crypto services will go down as one of the digital asset industry's biggest wins to date. Here's how it all went down. PayPal is a global e-commerce payments platform founded by Peter Thiel, Luke Nosek, and Max Levchin in 1998. Originally known as Confinity Incorporated, the United States-based software company merged with Dogecoin proponent Elon Musk's online banking company X.com in 2000 and rebranded as PayPal a year later. The company was bought out by eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002 and became the default payment method for its 185 million users. 13 years later, PayPal was spun off from its parent company and reverted to being a separate publicly traded company with the same PayPal ticker symbol as before the eBay acquisition. PayPal now has over 377 million users worldwide and is the world's 54th largest company, with a market capitalization of $282.58 billion. During the fourth quarter of 2020, the platform processed 3.47 billion transactions worth a total of $277 billion. Commitment problems. PayPal expressed interest in cryptocurrencies for the first time in 2013, 4 years after Satoshi Nakamoto released the Bitcoin white paper. David Marcus, PayPal's president at the time, told Bloomberg in an interview that he had been spending a lot of time looking at Bitcoin, BTC, minus 1.15%, and that the company was thinking about adding it to PayPal's funding instrument. However, nothing came of the discussions. Marcus left PayPal a few months later to lead the Messenger product before being chosen in 2018 to lead the social media platform's Libra cryptocurrency project, now known as Diem. PayPal released a 60-second promotional video titled PayPal Voices on September 8, 2014, with the line, "Our phone is our wallet. Without a pocket, we can spend Bitcoin with a tap." The video immediately sparked speculation in the cryptocurrency community about whether the online payments behemoth was about to add Bitcoin support to its platform. Around the time the video was released, PayPal had over 161.5 million users, representing a huge opportunity for Bitcoin to gain global mainstream traction if the integration was confirmed. This, too, was short-lived, as the video was eventually replaced by a nearly identical video without the Bitcoin line. "Our phone serves as our wallet. In its place, one touch to buy almost anything without sharing our credit card and banking details was substituted." PayPal is showing a genuine interest in cryptocurrency. PayPal enabled online merchants to accept Bitcoin payments near the end of 2014 through partnerships with Coinbase, BitPay, and GoCoin. This was the first time PayPal announced business relationships with crypto-focused companies, and it was the company's first significant step towards embracing the crypto market. Bitcoin's price rose in tandem with the news, gaining 10.61% on the day, from $404 to $447. Despite the positive sentiment, Scott Ellison, Senior Director of Corporate Strategy, was quick to temper expectations and reaffirmed the company was still cautiously evaluating the crypto industry. "We're moving slowly, supporting Bitcoin in some ways today and deferring action in others until we see how things develop," he explained. Wences Casares, CEO and founder of Xapo, was appointed to PayPal's board of directors in 2016, where he served on the company's compensation committee. Xapo is a Gibraltar-based Bitcoin wallet and cold storage provider. PayPal co-founder Max Levchin joined Greylock Partners, Index Ventures, former Yahoo CEO Jerry Yang, and others in Xapo's $20 million Series A1 funding round in 2014. Following the closing of the round, Xapo surpassed BitPay as the most funded crypto startup. The global payments behemoth creates a stir. PayPal remained interested in the cryptocurrency space, filing a patent application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office in 2018 for expedited virtual currency transaction system. The proposed system would shorten transaction times by establishing secondary wallets that exchange private keys associated with a predetermined amount of a specific cryptocurrency. according to the document. By transferring to the payee private keys that are included in virtual currency wallets that are associated with predefined amounts of virtual currency that equal a payment amount identified in the virtual currency transaction, the systems and methods of the present disclosure practically eliminate the amount of time the payee must wait to be sure they will receive a virtual currency payment. Coinbase announced in a blog post on December 14, 2018, that it had upgraded its PayPal integrated service to allow U.S. customers to withdraw fiat currency from Coinbase directly into their PayPal accounts for free. The service was extended to users in 32 European countries 2 months after it was launched. PayPal made its first investment in the crypto space in April of the following year, participating in Cambridge Blockchain's series of funding round for an undisclosed amount. PayPal, along with Uber, MasterCard, eBay, Stripe, and several other household names, entered the cryptocurrency space even further by joining the Libra Association in June 2019. At PayPal, we believe in democratizing participation in the digital economy for people of all walks of life and businesses of all sizes, said PayPal CEO Dan Schulman at the time. PayPal is delighted to join other leading technology and financial services organizations in the formation of Libra, with the goal of exploring a new, global digital currency based on blockchain technology. However, 4 months later, PayPal was the first company to withdraw its support after the Facebook-led project came under intense scrutiny from the Federal Reserve, the United States Congress, the European Union, and other global regulators. PayPal enters the crypto market for the first time. Well-placed sources told CoinDesk in June 2020 that PayPal was finally about to allow users to buy and sell select cryptocurrencies directly through the platform, 7 years after David Marcus first mentioned it. PayPal declined to confirm or deny the report, but a letter addressed to the European Commission was published weeks later, revealing that PayPal had informed the international regulator that it was taking unilateral and tangible steps in the cryptocurrency industry. Not long after, CoinDesk reported that Paxos had been chosen to provide the back-end infrastructure for PayPal's upcoming cryptocurrency service. PayPal announced its entry into the crypto market on October 21, 2020, with the launch of its new digital asset service. According to its frequently asked questions, the new service is currently only available to users in the United States, but there are plans to expand it to customers in the United Kingdom between March and April 2021. Only Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, minus 0.81%, Ethereum, ETH, minus 1.74%, and Litecoin, LTC, plus 1.26%, are available for purchase and sale on the platform. Importantly, crypto assets cannot be removed from the platform or sent to other wallet addresses. Users have complete control over the cryptocurrencies in their accounts. PayPal, on the other hand, has stated that it will not provide customers with private keys, which are the encryption keys required to access a crypto wallet and the funds contained within. This is similar to the practices of centralized crypto exchanges, in which the platform, not the customer, holds the private keys. The platform's crypto assets cannot be used to pay merchants or purchase goods. Due to high demand, PayPal has already increased weekly purchase limits from $10,000 to $15,000 and now $20,000 due to the new cryptocurrency service's success. PayPal also removed the whitelist, allowing all U.S. customers to use the service. This is a feature that allows a company to manage the release of new products by restricting the use of certain services based on location. PayPal stated in its Q4 2020 investor update that customers who purchased cryptocurrency through the service were logging on twice as often as before. This could be attributed to users frequently logging in to monitor their new crypto investments, or it could simply be due to the global pandemic and people being trapped inside their homes with little to do. According to a Mizuho Securities report from December, more than 20% of surveyed PayPal users had already traded Bitcoin on the platform's app. PayPal recently announced the acquisition of Curve, an institutional-grade digital asset custody solution. The transaction is expected to close in the first half of 2021. The acquisition of Curve is part of our effort to invest in talent and technology to realize our vision for a more inclusive financial system, said PayPal's Vice President of Blockchain, Crypto, and Digital Currencies, Jose Fernandez de Ponte. What comes next? PayPal will allow cryptocurrencies held on the platform to be used as a funding source to pay over 29 million onboarded merchants worldwide and to purchase goods beginning in 2021. The company has also stated that it intends to integrate digital asset services on its Venmo mobile payment app subsidiary during the first half of the year.